Welcome to the introduction of JMS. Here we'll learn terms about JMS and its architecture. So what is JMS? JMS stands for Java Message Service and it's a specification. What is mean by that? Specification means it's an interface to send the message. It describes the object sent and the object involved during the conversation, but it leaves the implementation of the service up to the third-party vendor. What is the main use of JMS? JMS is used basically to communicate to Java application. You need to focus on the term Java application. An example of JMS, it's not RabbitMQ, it's ActiveMQ. The main components of JMS are producer, consumer, queue, and topic. Let's understand more about JMS with this diagram. Here, we have several components. We have two Java applications which is communicating with each other. One is a producer, one is a consumer. So what is a producer? Producer is an application who creates the message and the consumer who receives or consumes it. In between it lies the JMS. Okay. The communication between two applications here is asynchronous. What does it mean? The communication is asynchronous means the consumer is free to receive the message whenever it wants. It has no dependency on application 1. In between producer and consumer is an object which facilitates message communication, that's called destination. There are two types of destination model. One you can see here, that is using queue over here, and it is called point-to-point model. In point-to-point model, message sent is received by only one consumer using first come first serve algorithm. The second model is topic. Topic is something which you can subscribe, and it can be subscribed by multiple consumers. So whenever a data is sent from this producer, so whoever subscribed to this topic can consume it, or all the consumers can consume it. That's all for JMS, and see you in the next video. Thank you.